Hello friends, we meet again with another unboxing, this time of a 200 class electric helicopter. That's Excel Power Stratos 200. Pretty new hot item that's been on the sale for some time now. Mine is from the second batch, I suppose. And here are the dimensions of it. Almost 44 and a half centimeters long, 130 centimeters tall, 9 centimeters wide. Electric helicopter. You got some information from on the other side. 195 mm carbon fiber blades, sacrificial blade grip arms, 1:1 geometry head. Your specialty of this helicopter is you got ESC and motor all combined into one unit. This is the unit which is installed there. It can take 3 cell or 4 cell. I'm gonna run it with 4 cell. And without further ado, let's just open it. And when we open it, the first thing that greets us is the body, fully made, canopy already attached to it. Canopy seems to be a little bit dull, but there is a protective coating on it, so once you're ready to go and fly it, you just remove it and it will give you a nice glossy finish on this canopy. Kind of a retro looking canopy, reminds me of old Align T-Rexes, but that's how it is. Let's get the canopy off and out of the way. Surprise, surprise, Nexus XR. Well, this did not came out of the box. I applied it and put it back together and did the unboxing. This is my unit. This is what is going to fly it, what is going to power it. And let's keep the canopy away, box away for a while. Just look at the servo layout. They call it the symmetrical servo layout. You got this is servo 1, 2 and 3, like arranged in cyclics. There should not be any binding. Maximum range, the links are 1:1. You can see 1:1. Reversed flybarless follower arms, generally they are the other way around. Of course, your ESC and motor unit. ESC sits here, and your tail boom insert, wherein you can also see a connector there. So no need of messy wirings. You just insert your boom and it connects over there. Integrated connector XT30. And this little guy is so that you could put in different size of batteries in there. I'm going to put in 4 cell. There's some foam pad already applied over here so that it catches your battery. And I'll also at the end of the video show you which battery I'm going to use. Let's put this away and fetch the box again. And when we open this side, you got a nice manual. It gives some build instructions and some spare parts availability also. These canopies and more are now already available as of when I'm shooting this video. What all is there in the box? You got the landing gear, landing skids, one piece. You got some hardware, screws and parts, linkages and all that good stuff. There's a wire lead also over there. I'll figure it out what is it for later. You can also see that while unboxing there are some spare parts given to you in the kit itself. Let's get them out. So you have two linkages. I believe these are swash, your head to swash linkages, because there are only two, and you get these sacrificial blade grip to linkage arms as well. I've heard a lot that these break quite easily in a crash, so it's good that Excel Power is providing us with a spare, so you don't have to buy it right away. And this guy, well, comment and tell me what this is. Some sort of a telemetry wire, I'm sure. One tail blade, I'm sorry. Some stickers for your canopy. And then this is your blade holder. And your boom, white boom with tail fin already attached, and on this side of it you can see the tail motor is already attached, soldered and nicely covered connectors there. And on this side you have that connector which goes into your frames. No messing with the wires. Lastly, what we have in the box is your blades. These are some nice blades they are given, carbon fiber AZ195 Pro blades. It's kind of nice. I'm also planning to get the plastic versions of them and generally fly them on plastic. Too nice a blade to lose it in a crash. So that's what you get in the box. Okay, so we talked about the batteries that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use these Genesis TAR2 4 cell 650 mAh batteries. These are 75C, and let's just open it up and see how it looks. Genesis is always nice. 4 cell 650 mAh XT30, and you got this nice little protector for your balance lead. And I got another one. That's gonna power my heli for now. Some Mini X's are on their way, and I'll get them soon. Next up, we're gonna build it. Well, assemble it. Building is not a biggie for this one. This is a small model. It's equivalent to ARF kit that we get for planes, and that's the idea of putting it out this way. So see you in the next video where we'll build it together.